Hey guys, so it's a quick one and it's impromptu, and as you can see, I'm currently at the train station and something just happened to me. I'm still supposed to go. I'm on my way to a neighboring town here in my neighborhood. I intend going to buy some stuff, but then I was supposed to have left at about an hour ago. But when I wanted to buy the tickets, I couldn't buy it. Reason, my money actually went in, but then it got stuck. My money went in and it got stuck. I was just confused. At first, I didn't know what happened because I was still waiting for my ticket. Then I looked at the screen. It says, "Do you still want to further your purchase?" I said yes, but then the money was stuck. I couldn't see the money. I couldn't see the ticket. You can imagine I had to start searching my bag, trying to see if I actually if I didn't put it inside. But then it dawned on me that I actually did, and I rushed to the SBB office, or maybe the transport system is known as SBB. That's Schweizerisches Bundesbahn. That is Swiss national train. So I went to their office here, and unfortunately they were locked. They were closed for the day because today is Saturday. So I had to check around. I didn't see any official. I quickly checked on the internet. I got their mobile customer care number. I called them and I spoke with them. I explained everything that happened, and they told me to call the number of the machine. To be honest with you, I never knew that all these machines have number. It's just today that I realized. I then had to come back to the machine where I was supposed to have gotten my ticket, and I called them. I called the number, and she clicked on the number and told me that yes, she could see me in front of the machine. To be honest with you, I never knew that even all those ticket machines have cameras. That is to tell that BEKEE WU AGBARA. She told me to go back to what I did before, my intention, what I wanted to do. I had to start pressing all the keys that I pressed before, from my destination to the number of hours I want, and every other thing. She then told me that sometimes that was when I then checked on the screen. She told me that it's not possible to pay with banknotes here. Sometimes it happens that way, and I don't know the reason for doing it that way. So I had to she told me that it's not possible, but then she had to take my details, my name, number, house number, phone number, and email address, that they will send someone to come and check for it during the week, and they will inform me afterwards. There's a train coming. That should be an interstate train. So she told me that they will send someone to come and check for it afterwards, and when they find the money, they will definitely inform me. See, one thing I like here in Switzerland is that you don't lose your money like that. I know if it were to be in Nigeria, if I just forget about it, when you come, they will tell you, they will get back to you. 2 days after, you're yet to hear from them. 1 week, they will keep on telling you, "Oh, we are still checking." In fact, you get tired of the money and you just forget it. But here, because they know that they say jeden rappen tells, that is, every penny counts. They know how hard it is or how difficult it is to get the money, so they wouldn't just take your money like that. So I expect to hear from them soon, and this week definitely. And that is it for this particular. I also want to chip in. Sometimes here in Switzerland, you just be doing things like they have. I'm sorry, the train is passing. I have to wait. Here in Switzerland, because they have hidden cameras everywhere, and because you don't know, you think nobody's seeing you or that nobody's looking at you, until when the need arises, they'll come and tell you that they saw you at some place, and you can't even deny it, because when you try to deny, they even bring out more and more evidences to prove to you. So the moment they just tell you, "We saw you at some place," if you actually went there, just surrender and say, "Yes, I did," and that is Swiss for you. I hope you enjoyed this, my mini story time. I know it's not long, it wasn't planned, but then it's impromptu, and I just wanted to share with you. I hope I'm not crazy. And thank you so much for watching to this end, and I'll definitely see you all very, very soon. See Until then, have a great weekend. Happy evening. Happy Sunday to you for tomorrow, and enjoy the rest of your time. Enjoy your time. Enjoy your day. Bye.